Samsung has made an interesting move with the Galaxy A36 by switching to a Snapdragon processor. Instead of using an Exynos chip like in previous models, this new phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. This change could be appealing for users who prefer Snapdragon for its efficiency and long-term performance. But does it really make a big difference compared to last year's Galaxy A35? The Galaxy A35 came with the Exynos 1380, and now, with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, Samsung claims an 8% improvement in CPU performance. Benchmarks reveal that while single-core speeds are nearly the same as before, multi-core performance has improved. This means tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking should feel smoother. However, for everyday activities such as browsing and using social media, the difference might not be very noticeable. Samsung hasn't shared specific details about the GPU or neural processing unit, but it's expected that the graphics and AI performance will be at least on par with the Exynos 1380. Since the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 is built on Samsung's 4nm process, power efficiency should also be similar. This could result in better battery management, allowing users to get through their day without worrying too much about charging. The processor itself features a combination of 4 performance cores based on Cortex A78, running at 2.4 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores based on Cortex A55. This setup is designed to balance power and battery life, ensuring the device can handle demanding applications while maintaining energy efficiency. For graphics, the Exynos 710 GPU is included, which should deliver a good experience for gaming, video streaming, and other media-heavy tasks. Samsung is also providing multiple memory and storage options to cater to different users. The Galaxy A36 is available in 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB RAM variants, which help with multitasking by allowing apps to stay open without frequent reloads. Storage choices include 128GB and 256GB, giving users flexibility based on their needs. Those who store a lot of media or apps will likely find a higher storage option more suitable. Even though the Galaxy A36 doesn't bring a huge jump in raw performance, switching to Snapdragon could be a good decision in the long run. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 is expected to deliver a stable experience for most daily tasks, even if it doesn't compete with flagship-level chips. For those who prioritize reliability and efficiency, this processor could be a solid option. One key aspect to consider is how well this phone will hold up over time. Samsung is promising 6 years of Android updates for its mid-range devices, meaning the Galaxy A36 could eventually receive Android 21. Long-term software support is a big plus, but with each new update, the hardware will have to keep up with additional features and system changes. It remains to be seen whether the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 will maintain smooth performance over several years without slowing down. For now, the Galaxy A36 appears to be a strong contender in the mid-range category, especially for those who prefer Snapdragon chips over Exynos. While the processor change may not drastically impact everyday use, the improvement in multi-core performance and potential for better efficiency could make it a worthwhile upgrade for some users. What are your thoughts on Samsung's decision to use a Snapdragon chip in the Galaxy A36? Do you think it's an improvement, or would you have preferred an Exynos-powered version? Share your opinion in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.